10 gadgets that will take your home to the future. Imagine living in a home where everything works seamlessly at the touch of a button, or with a simple voice command. The future of home automation and convenience is here, and Amazon offers a wide range of gadgets that can turn your house into a smart, efficient, and ultra-modern space. Whether you're looking to enhance security, create a more comfortable living environment, or just add a little fun and flair, these innovative products will bring your home into the future. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is a cutting-edge device that takes home security to the next level. It allows you to see and speak to anyone at your front door, whether you're at home or across the world. With a crystal clear 1080p HD video feed and two-way audio, you can easily communicate with visitors or delivery people, ensuring that you're always in control of who enters your home. The Pro 2 features motion detection that sends alerts to your phone whenever movement is detected, so you're always aware of what's happening outside. It even has advanced features like color night vision, giving you a clear view no matter the time of day. Philips Hue White and Color Ambience Starter Kit. Transform your living space with the Philips Hue White and Color Ambience Starter Kit, a set of smart light bulbs that can change the way you experience your home. These bulbs can emit over 16 million colors, allowing you to create the perfect ambience for any occasion, whether you're hosting a dinner party, relaxing after a long day, or watching a movie. You can easily control the lighting from your smartphone, tablet, or voice assistant, making it convenient and effortless to adjust the brightness and color to suit your mood. With features like scheduling, dimming, and automation, Philips Hue gives you total control over your home's lighting. iRobot Roomba i7 Plus Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus is the future of home cleaning. With its intelligent navigation system, the Roomba i7 Plus uses sensors to map out your home and efficiently clean every corner. Unlike traditional vacuums, this robot vacuum automatically empties its own dustbin, so you don't have to worry about emptying it yourself. The i7 Plus can be controlled via a smartphone app or voice commands, making it easy to schedule cleanings, monitor its progress, and customize its cleaning preferences. Whether it's dealing with pet hair, dust, or debris, the Roomba i7 Plus adapts to your home's specific needs, ensuring a deep and thorough clean every time. WiseCam Pan 2. The WiseCam Pan 2 is an affordable yet powerful home security camera that offers amazing features at a fraction of the price of its competitors. This camera features 1080p HD video, motion tracking, and two-way audio, so you can see and hear everything happening in your home, even when you're away. What sets the WiseCam Pan 2 apart is its 360-degree rotation capability, allowing you to pan the camera in any direction to cover every angle of your room. You can also set motion detection zones, so the camera focuses only on the areas that matter most. With its easy installation, app control, and free cloud storage, the WiseCam Pan 2 offers a simple and effective way to monitor your home in real time. Sonos Arc Soundbar. If you're looking to elevate your home entertainment experience, the Sonos Arc Soundbar is the perfect addition to your living room. This high-quality soundbar delivers immersive, room-filling audio with Dolby Atmos support, creating a surround sound experience that makes your favorite movies, music, and shows come to life. The Arc is designed to adapt to your space, automatically adjusting the sound based on the size and layout of your room. With smart features like voice control, integration with other Sonos speakers, and compatibility with various streaming services, the Sonos Arc transforms your TV into a true cinematic experience. Nanoleaf Shapes Light Panels. Nanoleaf Shapes light panels offer a unique and customizable way to light up your home, creating vibrant and artistic displays that can be controlled via your phone or voice commands. These modular panels come in various shapes and sizes, allowing you to design your own lighting setup that matches your aesthetic. With over 16 million colors to choose from, the panels can change based on your mood, music, or environment, adding an interactive and dynamic element to your space. Whether you want to create a relaxing atmosphere or a bold statement piece, Nanoleaf Shapes gives you the freedom to design lighting that's as unique as you are. Plus, the panels are energy efficient, so you can enjoy the dazzling effects without worrying about your energy bills. Ecovacs Debit T8 AI VI Robot Vacuum. The Ecovacs Debit T8 AI VI Robot Vacuum is the next step in automated home cleaning. Equipped with advanced artificial intelligence and visual interpretation technology, this vacuum can identify and avoid obstacles, providing a more efficient and thorough cleaning experience. It combines powerful suction with an integrated mopping function, allowing it to vacuum and mop your floors simultaneously. The T8AIVI features a long battery life, up to 3 hours of cleaning on a single charge, and it's equipped with mapping capabilities to ensure it cleans every part of your home. You can control it with the Ecovacs app or through voice commands, and its smart navigation system allows it to clean in systematic patterns for maximum efficiency. With the Ecovacs Diba T8AIVI, you can say goodbye to manual cleaning and hello to a spotless home with minimal effort. Samsung SmartThings Hub. The Samsung SmartThings Hub is the brain behind your entire smart home, allowing you to connect and control all your compatible devices from one place. Whether you're managing lights, security cameras, thermostats, or speakers, this hub brings everything together, making it easier than ever to automate and control your home. With the SmartThings Hub, you can create customized routines and automations, such as having your lights turn on when you arrive home or setting your thermostat to adjust based on your schedule. It also works with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, making it simple to control your devices with just your voice. The Samsung SmartThings Hub is the perfect solution for anyone looking to create a truly connected and automated home. Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker. For coffee lovers, the Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker is a game-changer in terms of convenience and customization. With its sleek design and easy-to-use interface, this coffee maker offers the perfect cup of coffee at the push of a button. Whether you prefer a strong brew iced coffee or a classic cup of joe, the K Elite gives you the flexibility to adjust the strength of your coffee to suit your taste. It also features a large water reservoir, reducing the need for frequent refills, and a programmable feature that allows you to schedule your coffee to brew at a specific time, so you can wake up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee every morning. With its variety of brew sizes and quick brewing time, the Keurig K Elite is perfect for anyone who loves a great cup of coffee without the hassle. Lutron Cassetta Smart Lighting Dimmer Switch. The Lutron Cassetta Smart Lighting Dimmer Switch is a simple yet effective way to upgrade your home's lighting system. This dimmer switch lets you control your lights remotely through your smartphone, tablet, or voice assistant, giving you complete control over your home's ambience. Whether you want to dim the lights for a movie night or brighten them for a dinner party, the Lutron Cassetta allows you to create the perfect lighting for any occasion. You can even set schedules to have your lights turn on or off automatically, adding an extra layer of convenience and security. The Cassetta system is compatible with a wide range of smart home devices and works with both Alexa and Google Assistant, making it a great addition to any home automation setup. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.